A cool way to jump into the Python REPL is to treat it like a calculator. So within a calculator, you can take in it can take in a mathematical expression using an operator like this one, and then two operands, one on either side of it. If you hit enter, it'll evaluate it and print out the answer. So there's addition. Here is subtraction. Here is multiplication using this asterisk command, or excuse me, shift 8. And then here is division. If you do the backslash, the one above the enter key, then it will give you a syntax error. It doesn't work. So you, like any mathematical expressions, you can combine several using like these parentheses or something like that. Remember your order of operations because that is going to be different from that. The parentheses group those together. If you're wondering if you can do exponents, you can. It is like this right here. Don't get confused because in some languages it uses this caret key. In Python, that is the binary exclusive OR operator. Look it up if you're interested. Ignore it if you're not. There's another couple of interesting operators related to division. This one right here is pretty neat. It is the floor division or the integer division because notice this is 4.5. This just gives you the integer. So that would be helpful if you're like trying to divide something among friends that can't be divided, like dogs. If you have 9 dogs and 2 friends, they each get 4, and 1 is left over. And you can find out the remainder using this this operator right there. That's called the modulus or modulo, or sometimes just mod if you're cool. That's the mod operator. Okay, notice on the floor division that it always rounds down. You would think that it might round up to 5 because 4.5 is close to 5, but it doesn't do it like that. Let's try it with this. 99 over 100 is 0.99. If you do 99 floor divide by 100, notice it doesn't go into 100. It doesn't go in at all. It's 0, so it rounds down, even though it's very close to 1. If it's negative, this is pretty interesting. If it's negative, it rounds down as well, meaning more negative. So in this case, it rounds down to -1 here. So that's pretty weird. This remainder one, I want to talk about that again. See if you can find out a way to use the mod operator to tell if a number is divisible by 2 or not. In other words, if it's even or odd.